You do not have a time management problem. You do not lack motivation. You are simply chemically sedated. You tell yourself you are just procrastinating. You tell yourself you will start working on your life tomorrow. But the truth is much darker. You are actively participating in the systematic destruction of your own attention span. You have replaced your biological drive for greatness with a cheap, glowing rectangle that feeds you meaningless entertainment in 15-second intervals. You are not resting. You are numbing yourself. Observe your own behavior at the end of the day. You lie in bed, completely drained, and you open an app to unwind. Pay attention to what is physically happening to you. Your body is completely motionless, but your brain is processing 1,000 different emotions, flashing images, and manufactured outrage every single minute. You are putting your nervous system through a psychological slot machine. Every time you swipe, you get a micro hit of dopamine. You wonder why you wake up feeling deeply exhausted despite sleeping for 8 hours. Physical exhaustion comes from hard labor. You are exhausted because you are chemically draining your brain's reward center without achieving a single real-world result. You are consuming a digital anesthetic just so you do not have to sit alone with your own thoughts. Over a century ago, the philosopher Friedrich Nietzsche predicted this exact catastrophic decay of human potential. He warned of the coming of the last man, a pathetic future version of humanity whose only goal in life is absolute comfort. Nietzsche wrote, "We have invented happiness, say the last men, and they blink. The last man avoids all suffering. He avoids all deep, meaningful work. He seeks only warmth, cheap pleasure, and total safety." The modern digital world is mathematically engineered to turn you into Nietzsche's last man. The algorithms are not designed to educate you. They are designed to pacify you. Because a comfortable, distracted population does not build, it only consumes. To escape the fate of the herd, you must execute the Dopamine Starvation Protocol. You must learn how to do something that absolutely terrifies the modern human. You must learn to sit in a quiet room and be profoundly, uncomfortably bored. Boredom is not a punishment. It is a biological necessity. It is the only state where original thought and deep focus are actually born. Starting today, you stop reaching for your phone the second you feel a moment of emptiness. You let the withdrawal happen. You let the silence frustrate you. When you completely starve your brain of cheap, unearned dopamine, it will eventually crave difficult work just to have something to do. We are living in an era of profound distraction. That is your greatest advantage. In a world where the average person cannot focus on a single task for more than 3 minutes without checking a screen, your ability to control your own attention is no longer just a skill. It is an asymmetrical superpower. While they are busy scrolling themselves into a comfortable depression, you are quietly building the empire they will eventually work for. When you master your focus, you master reality. Walk away from this video with one permanent realization. Comfort is a slow poison. If you are breaking the cycle today, type the exact word, awake.